In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add accordions in WordPress. Accordions are a fantastic way to display content on your site in an organized and user-friendly manner. They help create a more streamlined look by collapsing lengthy pieces of information into expandable sections, perfect for FAQs or detailed explanations. Let's dive into how you can add them yourself without any hassle. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look over at the left-hand menu and find the Plugins option. Click on this, and you'll be taken to the Plugins page. Next, click on Add New. This is where we'll find the accordion tool that we'll be using. In the search bar located at the top right of the page, type in accordion and press Enter. A variety of plugins will appear, but for today, we'll use one called Accordion FAQ because it's popular, beginner-friendly, and well-supported. Once you've found Accordion FAQ, go ahead and click the Install Now button. The installation process should only take a few moments. Once it's installed, the button will change to Activate. Make sure to click Activate because this will enable the plugin on your site. Activation is crucial because without it, the plugin won't function properly. With the plugin activated, you'll notice a new menu option has appeared on the left side under Settings. Click on Accordion FAQ. This is where you'll handle all the settings related to your new accordion. Now, to create your first accordion, click on Add New Accordion at the top of the page. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can start adding your content. Let's begin by giving your accordion a title. Keep this descriptive but concise, as it will help you identify this particular accordion set later. Below the title, you'll find fields to input your questions and answers. Simply type your question in the question box and the answer in the answer box. You can continue doing this for as many questions as you need. Just click the Add New button to add more entries. Once you've finished adding your questions and answers, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. Check if everything looks and functions as expected. If you're happy with how it looks, click the Publish button on the right side of the screen. This saves your accordion and makes it live on your site. Now, to add your newly created accordion to a page or post, you'll need to use the short code. Return to the Accordion FAQ main page, and you'll see a column named Short Code. Copy the short code associated with your accordion. Navigate to the page or post where you want to place the accordion, and paste the short code into the WordPress editor. Finally, update the page or post, and you're done. Your accordion should now be visible on your website, providing your users with an interactive way to access your content. And there you have it. That's how you can easily add accordions to your WordPress site. Thanks for watching.